In this video, I'm going to be installing these roof bars to my VW Amarok. Quick, simple job today, should only take us about 20 minutes. So if we get the box open, inside the box we should have our roof bars and our fitting kit. And in there comes our rubber mounts and then all of our fittings that we need. Inside the protective sleeve we've got our roof bars, gone for black ones on this one, and those are going to fit on with the pads. You're going to put the pads on underneath and then put your front pad on as well onto that bit, and these just go clamp down onto the trucks with our fittings. So let's go get them fitted. So first thing we want to do is remove these covers, and you can use a flat blade screwdriver or you can actually use the key, the VW vehicle key. Take those off, and then we've got a roof plug that we need to undo, so we're going to use the Allen key on that and remove that roof plug. Pop both your covers off, get rid of those, undo these. Alright, then we're going to put our bar, make sure our bars line up. So we'll put those on there, just check that they line up where they need to. And then we're going to put our mounting plates onto those. Now the best thing to do is on the covers is that we drill a hole where this is, so it puts the covers back into place. And then that covers up any gaps underneath these. So we're going to put our trim cover back in, and we're just going to align that where the hole is. So the hole on this one is just there. Do the same for the front. And then we're going to go and just drill 2 holes in those. Let's just go use a step drill here and start in the middle, drill a hole out on that. Just use next size up. Right, then that gives us a big enough hole there to be able to fit our bolt to pass through, and also is small enough that the pad's going to sit on there and cover anything around that, stop any water ingress. Do the same for the other one. Alright, so we're going to leave these plugs out of the roof. We're going to just refit these into there. Lock these off again. That's back into position. Same on the front one. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put these onto the locator plugs in the bottom of the roof bar. There's just some tabs that those fit onto like that. Then we'll put the other one, back piece onto there, into the middle one, and we'll drop that over, like so. Now, longer bolts that are going to be going in are these ones. They've got a hex head on them, Allen key head, and we're going to be dropping those through. I always put a bit of silicone on those as they go in, because then that seals up the any chance of any water coming through. You get the same problem on the transporters with the roof bolts, where if you don't have any silicone on them, they can end up leaking into the front cab. So best off just putting a bit of silicone on all those and dropping those through. Just going to align it with the hole we've got here. Drop it through. Do the same for the front one. Put a bit of silicone on, drop it through, and then tighten them up. Then we put the caps in the top. We got some covers that just slot into there. They just push on, just stop any water getting down into those bits. Once that's done, go to the other side and we'll get those ones sorted. Okay, and that's it for today. So these have been fitted. We fitted the new roof bars on the Amarok there. We are now going to install some crossbars on it. So we've actually got some caddy crossbars which will fit. We can cut those down to size, and we're going to fit a couple of crossbars between the two bars at the top, just so we can load any sheet material on when we're going to use it and make it a little bit more practical than just the looks. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time. See you later.